Sky aviation insurance, private aircraft insurance, uh, aviation coverage insurance types. There are several kinds of aviation insurance coverage that cover different aspects of the private jet aircraft and aside from the aircraft itself. Any damage it might cause to property, the crew of the aircraft, or any of the private jet passengers would be covered by your policy. If you have a private jet or other aircraft, make sure you have the following aviation insurance policies. In-flight aircraft coverage. In-flight insurance is a type of coverage of our aircraft from insurance carriers that helps cover any damage to the plane resulting from accidents, any or events when the plane is moving, which includes taxiing, takeoffs, landings, or in-flight. Aviation passenger liability insurance. The personal liability insurance helps cover any injuries or harm which can occur to passengers of a flight. No matter what happens, your personal liability insurance can cover you despite the unfortunate event. Aviation insurance covering public liability. Public liability insurance is an insurance type for owners of aircraft that is usually required by law to operate. This insurance will cover the effects of external property damage or injury, but not those of the passengers. What coverage can non-owned aircraft insurance provide? The following information will explain how our aircraft renters insurance works to safeguard you with the areas of non-owned aircraft insurance when it comes to the areas of aviation insurance coverage. Liability for bodily injury. The policy offers protection for the passengers in case of an accident because it protects them from injuries that may be caused by others during an air disaster. This source of aviation insurance would cover any harm done to bystanders as a result of the incident and is subject to the terms for the policy. And if and it can also indemnify those who on board. It also aids in defending you against claims of negligence which would lead to the case being settled in your favor. Reputation damage insurance. If your business is damaged because of an unfortunate accident that caused harm to people or property during a flight, damage to your reputation will be covered by this policy. Accidents inevitable when it comes to flying, but this type of aviation insurance coverage prevents the harm that such accidents can cause to your reputation as a company. Accident forgiveness. Here, protection provided by this policy is not limited only to those who on board and will also cover any accident or incident involving another aircraft or machine. This aviation insurance is ideal for pilots who participate in flight training, flight instruction, or even aerobatic flights. Insurance for charters and rental agencies. This cover will protect the interests of any business owner who rents out aircraft to others, regardless of whether it's privately owned or commercially rented. The policy covers the costs involved in repairing damage that may be incurred by parties renting out vehicles, which includes materials and labor expenses. Accident forgiveness aircraft renters insurance. When you are an aircraft renter, there's a need to protect the interest of both yourself and your client by ensuring that both parties are fully protected in case of an accident or incident involving an aircraft rented out for the flying purposes. Such aviation insurance coverage will help reduce and prevent the legal responsibility that come with renting out the aircraft and aid in protecting you from accidents. Get the best rate on aircraft insurance quotes today.